Hey there, drift enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a look at some of the best mini RC drift cars on the market. If you're a fan of precision drifting and high-velocity maneuvers, then you'll definitely want to stick around for this. Introducing the Slidey Boys Tabletop Drift RC car and the Vapor Slide Drift RC car. These mini RC drift cars are designed to deliver an unparalleled drifting experience that will leave you immersed in a drift session. Transform your desk into a dynamic drifting playground and let your imagination run wild. With fully proportional steering and gyro steering correction, our Driftros Tabletop RC drift cars offer the perfect drifting flow. The gyro sensor traction control allows you to really get sideways, while the metal drift tires provide the perfect weight balance for smooth drifting through turns. Enhance your racing experience with the remote control, offering a wide range of tuning options. Fine-tune your steering and throttle sensitivities to conquer any track with precision. The built-in Type-C charging port, battery capacity of 55 mAh, and working time of up to 30 minutes ensure you experience drifting fun for a long time. So, if you're ready to take your drifting to the next level, be sure to check out the 2024 Best Mini RC Drift Car and the Turbo Racing 176th RC Drift Car with two replaceable DU body shell. Don't miss out on the opportunity to experience the perfect drifting flow with these incredible RC drift cars. Click the link in the description to get yours today. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech24 for more exciting tech reviews and demos.